This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 47 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're finishing attaching the suspension of the wheels. We've got a couple of little brackets to make up, like so. And then we're going to attach these to the chassis that we've already got. So we're attaching those together, same as we did on the other side, with two little bars. Bars out. Going to need a pair of pliers. Keep folded away at the back there. Put that bar through there. It feels a little bit knurled, but only a little bit. Basically, that goes through the outside bit, and then a few minutes lined up properly through the inside bit. Maybe from the other side. That's not going in there very well, that side. Knurling, and go for the other end. I think it's just not lined up properly because it goes through fine when it's not in place. Now let's get that lined up better. Through there. There we go. A little bit of wobbling to make sure it goes through the other side. And didn't need the pliers for that. That's quite all the way through there. So let's get the other one done the same way around. Goes over there. Over there. That bit that side. That bit that side. Line up in there. Why is that not lining up in there now? What am I doing hideously wrong that I didn't do on that side? That's the side, that one that I've already done. Put that one down. Go with this one. There we go. That goes through there. But knurling on there, so that's going to be that end. Lined up and it all the way home. There we go. Didn't need those in the end after all. Now they do have different numbers, but they all appear to be the same, so we won't worry about that. We're going to need 2 of the 04 screws. Let's get those out now. Go keep one of those aside for later for storage. And we're going to need 4 of these screws, which look like the packet was open, but I don't think it was. There's still lots of them in there. Either way, it's all good. So we need 2 for each of them. So there's 4 there. There's 5 there, in fact. So we'll keep that for later as well. So we've got 1 of those and 2 of those. 2 of those and 1 of those. For that one. So where are they going? That's the question. They are going onto, do you remember from last time, we fit much the same thing to the bottom of this. We've got to fit these to the top. So it goes on there. 2 go over there. The 1 goes over the wheel bit. Sort of lines up in place. At least it should do. I was It's going for the wrong post. That's why. That one over there first, I think, and then that will manoeuvre around. And that should lock in place like that. So that slips off of there as well. Because the wheel's very wobbly. It won't be wobbly once I've got this together. A bit like that, I think. Now I can't reach to get the screws. Right, what I'm going to do is get the one screw ready for the bit that goes onto the wheel. That on there. Not like that though. Why have I got an extra screw on there? Where did I pick that up from? This is the one that I need on there because it's got the built-in washer. I'm going to have great fun with this. Right, let me clear this out of the way. I'll get one of these attached and see exactly how it does it, and I'll do the other one on camera. Right, there we go. That's that attached on there. Not really a problem, just a bit awkward. So let's see if I can do it less awkwardly on the second time round. Now I know exactly what I'm doing. I will do it the other way round actually on this one. I'm going to put the bit on there first. It does hinge. I can get it over the other bit fairly easily, I think. Get the screw on the screwdriver. That in there. That's not going anywhere. The other one in the other side. There we go. Get the other screw prepped on the screwdriver for the next bit. Quickly is getting this lined up on there. Good. Line up. And that bit goes down there. There we go. That on there. Let's get that in there. And apart from getting a better angle so I can tighten them all up, that is now attached and the steering works. There's a little bit of movement to the suspension there, only a little bit. I thought there'd be more, but it's fine. Not going to worry about that at all. So that is all as it should be. I'm happy with that. That's it. Another issue done. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you for the next one. The next couple are very, very quick. So next time we'll get it built, and then the time after when we're doing exactly the same again, but the other side, we'll have a look through the magazine. So something to look forward to. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon. Bye bye for now.